we'd like to welcome all of our veterans. We sure do miss having you at school today and being able to have our students perform for you live, but we do hope you enjoy the video. We're looking forward to hopefully getting each and every one of you back to the school next year. I think we have a great performance for you today and some heartfelt message. Just know we really miss seeing you out and about in the community. We pray that each and every one of you stay safe. We thank you for your sacrifice and your service. It hasn't been forgotten by the AP students and staff. God bless and thank you.
Oh, say can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare the walls bursting in air gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
We will now have some poems read by the Honor Society on Veterans Day while we were at home.
They traveled land and sea to make sure we are safe.
to protect and keep us free.
Words are not enough to give them what they're due.
On Veterans Day, please thank them for their service to me and you.
Some people dream the dream.
Some people live the dream.
Some people defend the dream.
God bless the defenders.
For you and all who gave so many yesterdays for our today.
A heartfelt thank you on Veterans Day.
There Stands a Soldier by Anthony Wattis.
There stands a soldier, tall, proud, and still,
guiding and protecting the rights of all who will.
All who will remember, all who live so free, in this great country, home of you and me.
To you on Veterans Day.
Today we say thank you. Today we raise the flags, and today we cheer at the parade.
Remember, you offered your life to our land.
You were brave, but were you also afraid?
Today we consider, today we are free.
Sacrifice rings proud and clear.
Tomorrow will come, but we understand that you gave more than one day of the year.
Today we say thank you, not just on Veterans Day, but every day. We will never forget the sacrifices you've made for our freedom.
Now the AP High Band will play Duty, Honor, Country.
Duty, honor, country, a code of conduct and chivalry of those who guard this beloved land, an ideal so noble that it arouses a sense of pride and yet humility, an expression of ethics of the American man at arms. Duty, honor, country. Those three words build courage when courage seems to fail. Regain faith when there seems to be little cause for faith. Create hope when hope seems forlorn. The American man at arms, above all other people, prays for peace, for he must suffer and bear the deepest wounds and scars at war. Duty, honor, country. The unbelievers will say they are but a words, a slogan, or a flamboyant phrase. Every demagogue, every cynic, and every hypocrite will try to downgrade them to the extent of mockery and ridicule. The code which those words perpetuate embraces the highest moral law and will stand the test of any ethics or philosophies ever published for the uplift of mankind. Around 1,000 campfires, on 100 battlefields, listening for the witching melody of faint bugles blowing reveille, far-off drums beating the long roll. This is the story of the American man-at-arms. His name and fame are the birthright of every American citizen. In his youth and strength, his love and loyalty, he gave all that mortality can give. He has never failed us. Were he to do so, a million ghosts in olive drab, in brown khaki, in blue and gray, would rise from their white crosses, thundering those magic words. Duty, honor, country.
What Veterans Day means to me.
Veterans Day to me means bravery. Veterans Day to me means honoring those who have sacrificed their lives for America.
Caring for others.
Doing what it keeps to keep my country free.
Veterans Day is important to me because my grandpa served in Vietnam.
Important to me because I currently have a brother deployed overseas and I hope the best for him. Happy Veterans Day.
Veterans Day means a lot to me because I have family members and people I know in the Army currently and who have been in the Army.
Veterans Day is a day to say thank you to those who have served or are currently serving our country and to recognize the sacrifice that all those men and women have made.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice